wanted to show you what an apartment looks in Gouna in Egypt. And we found this apartment on Airbnb for about $90 per night. You can obviously get a discount for long-term stays, but we compared to some hotels in the area and it seemed like a good deal. As you can see, it's a fairly new apartment in a very nice subdivision. This one is called Mangrove, and it's right in front of the beach. It has a massive pool. It's very close to the kite surfing spots. It's very close to the marina walking distance. The way you get around here in Gouna is with tuk-tuks, which only cost 20 Egyptian pounds, which is about like $1.50. And you can just walk out the door and there's like tuk-tuks coming around if you want to go to downtown Gouna or get around Gouna area. The apartment is pretty standard but very modern, we feel. We were very comfortable here. It's at a very large living room. It's got a smart TV. The internet here, if you're planning to work in Gouna, is very spotty. Sometimes it works really good, sometimes it doesn't work at all. We got a really good workaround. If you get a local SD card, we were able to get pretty fast internet for when the home Wi-Fi was gone. Then we'll switch to the SIM card. And it's a full one bedroom. As you can see, very modern amenities. A full bedroom, very nice, a large bedroom with a very comfy mattress. And then, as we always like to cook sometimes, here, follow me to the kitchen area. It's got all you need for doing some cooking, getting the coffee done in the morning. As travelers, this is always the best thing to have. You are so happy whenever you have a washing machine inside of the apartment that you rent. So we definitely took a lot of use here. And then just a simple dining table where we got a lot of work done this week. So this is it. Just wanted to show you what an apartment in Gouna looks like. I'll do a little bit of research to let you guys know, as we always do, on approximately how much these apartments cost if you were to buy it. I think I checked and they're about $180,000 to $200,000, or about 170,000 euros. I'll double check and leave on the description below, as we always find this to be really interesting information when we travel. But that's it. I'll also leave the link on the Airbnb listing down in the description of this video, and thanks for watching.